Hey guys, welcome to Whispering Waters here in Shakopee. Today we're touring the all-new Stonebrook model by Brandl Anderson Homes. This is an Energy Star certified home set on a massive 0.33 acre corner lot. Outside you're getting full sod landscaping and the home is already roughed in for irrigation. Inside, the home features 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and overflows with thoughtful design. From the gourmet kitchen with built-in appliances and quartz countertops, to the upper level loft and laundry, to the beautiful finished lower level. It's also got stylish black windows, 3-zone heating, and the custom fireplace that brings everything together. I'm Mark Comparato with the Call the Comps real estate team at Real Broker. My wife Brittany and I specialize in new construction throughout the Southwest Metro. And one big advantage of working with us is our experience working with builders like Brandl Anderson. To be clear, we don't represent the builder. Our job representing a buyer is to protect your best interest, guide you through the options and upgrades, explain the contract details, monitor timelines, and help you secure the best possible value. So whether you're building from dirt, customizing a plan, or looking for a move-in ready home just like this one, we make the process smooth and protect your interests every step of the way. I've also linked our free buyer guide in the description below. It's a simple step-by-step resource that helps you understand financing, compare builders, spot the best values, and navigate the entire buying process with confidence. If you're planning to move soon, grab the guide below. It's completely free and incredibly helpful. Thanks for taking the tour with us today. If you have any questions about this home, building new, or buying in the Southwest Metro, reach out anytime. Make sure to drop a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos. Because you never know, your dream home could be one tour away. We'll see you next time.